Thanks to CASEKOO for sponsoring this video. This is the brand new iPhone Air. I've managed to get my hands on 3 of these: sky blue, space black and cloud white. It's time to see if these really are the iPhones to go for this year. Inside the box, the experience is classic Apple, minimal and refined. You get the phone itself, a cable, and a simple information sheet reminding you that a physical SIM card is no longer required. Straight away, the design makes an impression. All 3 colours look incredible in person, and in the hand, the iPhone Air feels extremely premium. The combination of thinness and lightness makes this one of the most comfortable iPhones Apple have ever made. The screen size sits perfectly between the iPhone 17 and the 17 Pro Max. Not too large, but with more than enough display for everyday use. When it comes to colours, each one brings something unique. Space black is my personal choice this year. Sleek, stealthy, and everything I hoped Apple would bring to the Pro lineup. Fingerprints can show on the titanium frame, but thanks to how thin this phone is, they're barely noticeable. And of course, if you are using a case from today's video sponsor CASEKOO, you won't need to worry about fingerprints at all. The blue variant is subtle but stunning in person, a soft tone that feels fresh without being overwhelming. And white is classic Apple, almost jewelry-like. The way the light reflects across the titanium frame is stunning. Choosing between these finishes isn't easy, but you really can't go wrong. I've decided on black, but if I hadn't carried a white iPhone for years prior to this iPhone Air, one of the lighter options would have been my pick. They feel new, refined, and stand out way more than what we've seen from the Pro lineup so far. The iPhone Air display is genuinely impressive. It features a 6.3 Super Retina XDR OLED panel, striking the perfect balance, not as large as the Pro Max, but bigger than the standard iPhone, giving you plenty of screen real estate without feeling oversized. Packing a Pro-level display into such a thin profile is crazy to me. It almost feels like you're holding just the screen. It's bright, it's vibrant, and incredibly sharp with deep blacks and vivid colours that make everything from photos to videos pop. Apple have now bought the 120Hz ProMotion display across all iPhone 17 models, and having it here on the Air is a huge win. Scrolling and gaming and app navigation, they all feel buttery smooth. Peak brightness is exceptional also, making the screen easy to view even in direct sunlight. And the always-on display keeps key information visible, which hasn't always been available on non-Pro iPhones. The only question with a display this advanced and all this tech packed in is how will battery life hold up? But overall, this is one of the most premium and enjoyable screens Apple have ever put into an iPhone, and the size makes it feel perfect in the hand. Keeping your iPhone protected shouldn't mean compromising on style. That's why CASEKOO's latest cases for the iPhone 17 lineup are such a standout. This is the MagicStand 360 case, originally launched 8 years ago, and this iteration really is better than ever. Patented and award-winning with both the iF Design Award and Red Dot Award, their built-in ring doubles as a secure grip, making it perfect for hands-free calls, watching videos, taking photos, or even just replacing a traditional pop socket. Then there's their new D-cover design, this semi-covered camera frame that reinforces protection. Unlike the wide-open cutouts, it features a 2.5mm raised edge and tri-layer corner cushion around the lens, keeping your new camera safe from scratches while maintaining stability and a super sleek profile. These cases have been crafted to match the iPhone 17 colours perfectly this year. For a more eye-catching option, the cosmic orange MagicStand with its titanium frame and crystal clear back really stands out. It shows off the iPhone Pro beautifully while staying crystal clear and resisting yellowing over time. The deep blue matte MagicStand case is equally impressive. The semi-transparent frosted back lets the colour shine through while the anti-smudge coating keeps it looking clean, smooth and premium in the hand. And finally, my personal favourite is the iPhone Air case, which matches my space black Air perfectly while still keeping the device feeling thin and comfortable to hold. It's sleek, protective and does not compromise on the premium feel of the phone. Mag Prime technology gives you twice the magnetic strength of standard MagSafe with near zero power loss, making wireless charging faster, safer and fully compatible with all accessories. The ergonomic anti-slip grip and silky smooth finish ensures comfort and confidence whenever you hold it. I've been using CASEKOO cases for a while now, and they really do remain the most reliable, stylish and protective cases I've had. And right now, CASEKOO are running a limited time sale, 15 to 33% off their Amazon site, so don't miss out. Check the links in the description below and grab one that matches your iPhone perfectly. Thanks again to CASEKOO for supporting the channel. The iPhone Air features a 48 megapixel Fusion main camera offering 28mm and 35mm focal lengths with a 2x optical quality telephoto crop. This setup delivers impressive versatility, allowing for detailed shots without the need for multiple lenses. Despite the absence of an ultra-wide lens, the single lens performs exceptionally well, producing sharp, vibrant images with excellent dynamic range. For those who don't frequently use ultra-wide shots or zoom extensively, this camera system is more than enough. The front-facing 18 megapixel center stage camera is equally impressive. It boasts a square sensor that enables auto orientation and expands the field of view for group selfies, a feature that is also coming to Pro models. The quality of selfies from this phone are seriously impressive, with accurate color reproduction and good low light performance. In terms of video, the iPhone Air supports 4K recording at 60 frames per second, along with Dolby Vision HDR. A standout feature is the new dual capture mode, which allows simultaneous recording from both the front and rear cameras, ideal for vlogs or any kind of reaction videos. While it lacks some advanced features like cinematic mode, the video capabilities are robust and should satisfy most users. Based on my initial experience, the iPhone Air's camera system delivers high quality photos and videos that will meet the needs of most average users. I don't feel like having the single lens is a compromise the way battery life can be. The shots I've taken so far look fantastic. You've been able to see some of the images and videos captured with the phone here, which proves exactly what this phone is capable of. For me personally, I rarely use the ultra-wide or zoom cameras, so this setup more than covers my needs. Overall, I think Apple have done a great job here. Casual and even more dedicated photographers alike will find this camera more than capable for everyday use. Performance on the iPhone Air seems to be genuinely impressive. Apple have packed the A19 Pro chip into this thin profile, and it's incredible to see how much of this tech is concentrated in the camera plateau at the top of the phone. During setup and when testing a few games for extended periods, the top of the phone can get a little bit warm, but it's never uncomfortable and you barely notice it when holding the phone in your hand. Only really in landscape mode. Everything runs smoothly, apps open instantly, and I haven't encountered any performance issues so far. Of course, I'll be testing this extensively for my long-term review, so make sure to subscribe for that. Battery life is the one area that requires a little compromise with this form factor. I've only used the phone for a couple of days, but my experience so far is similar to my time with the Z Fold 7, maybe slightly worse. But I will be testing this more thoroughly. Personally, I plan to use the Apple battery pack to keep me powered throughout the year. That said, I went into this knowing battery life wouldn't be a standout feature. I chose design over longevity, and I think many people will make the same decision. It is something to keep in mind though when deciding if this form factor is right for you. The iPhone Air is, in my opinion, the best designed iPhone Apple have ever made. From its thin and light profile to the premium materials and perfectly balanced screen size, it's clear that Apple have pushed their design to the next level. Holding it in person really shows off what they can do. The combination of lightness, thinness, and premium materials make it feel like nothing else in the lineup. The camera, performance, and display all deliver an experience that feels high-end, even if some compromises like battery life exist due to this slim form factor. It's one of those devices you truly need to hold in your hand to appreciate. iOS 26, on the other hand, is a different story, but we'll save that for another video. The focus here is on the hardware, and with the hardware, Apple really have nailed it this year. For anyone who values design and wants a premium iPhone that feels modern, capable, and stylish, the iPhone Air stands out as a fantastic choice. So, what do you think about all this? Let me know in the comments below, and if you are still watching up to now, then hit the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to the channel to see lots more content like this. For now though, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.